Welcome to sunny St. George at the headquarters of True Audio, where it's going to be a balmy 105 degrees this afternoon. Kind of explains the casual dress that I'm wearing, the shorts and the flip-flops. But more importantly, we are very excited about the release of the new True Cinema line. This is the third version of the True Cinema line, the TC3. This is a great solution for retrofits. If you've been familiar with our old Blue series and the old True Cinema line, what we did is we kind of merged the two together, and we made a cabinet line that took the qualities, the acoustical qualities of the TC line and the affordability of the entry-level Blue series and kind of merged the two together. What you see here are the towers, which are the TC3 66 LRs, and then you have the TC 66 LCRs and the surround. All of these products are going to use the same drivers. It's a 6.5-inch black glass fiber woofer with a 1-inch aluminum tweeter. Some of the things that kind of want to point out that kind of set these apart: obviously the towers, as you can see here, they're a ported system, which we felt like after a lot of research and design, felt like it gave us the best performance on the towers. One of the things that True Audio has always been known for is the magnetic grill. So this way you don't have any tabs looking ugly. It's a clean, easy installation with the magnetic grills. Next you have the LCR, which is a great component to use for a center channel with the towers. This can be designed to go into a cabinetry where you can't put this on the floor like the towers can go, so it can go up on a shelf or around the TV, sitting on top of a TV. The only difference that you're going to see here versus the tower is that we did eliminate in the final production the ports. It's going to be a sealed cabinet. Really gave us the best bass response by having a sealed cabinet. Again, same magnetic cabinets or magnetic grills that we have with the whole line. And then we have, to top it off, is the surround. One of the cool features that we've added to this is that it is bi and dipole switchable. So depending on the type of system that you're doing, you'll be able to adjust that with a simple switch on the back. The mounting hardware already comes installed on the speaker, so it's very simple to install. You know, one of the things when we built this whole line, we felt like it was important that we wanted to make this compatible with any of our in-wall HT series. So that when you run into a job that you may need an in-wall left and right, but you need a cabinet center channel, this would be a great solution. And we tried to, we did the very best we could to timber match our HTs with our cabinets and vice versa. Again, this is going to be released in August 2010. We really look forward, we're very excited about having this new line that gives you guys more opportunity to get a new part of the market that's out there.